Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some mixed type of heels that looks really amazing and really beautiful with your every outfit and your every look. It makes your every outfit more attractive and beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty purple color heel, and this one is also a very nice heel. It's in a slipper kind of thing that looks really beautiful and really amazing. And this one is also a very nice golden color that looks really beautiful and really amazing. And watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you'll never miss any new update from my channel, and you'll get notified whenever I posted my new video or any other kind of thing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It's in a silver color that looks really beautiful and really amazing. And heels are like the ultimate style boost. When it comes to mixed type of heels, you are spoiled for choice. You've got your classic style, sleek, sophisticated, and perfect for night out. Then there are block heels, which are like comfy and great for when you wanna look chic without sacrificing comfort. Wedges are another fave, giving you that extra height with a bit more stability. And let's not forget chunky heels, which are totally on trend and add a fun, edgy vibe to outfits. Whether you're pairing them with dresses, jeans, or work wear, there's a heel type for every vibe that go with your every kind of outfits. And kitten heels for subtle and classy look, and pumps for work or formal kind of events, and ankle strap heel for very nice vibe. And heels are the ultimate style statement. With so many types to choose from, you can totally transform your look. Kitten heels are perfect for when you wanna add a touch of elegance without going too high. Pumps are like the workhorse of heels, sleek, professional, and versatile. Ankle strap heels, sexy and sophisticated, great for nights out or special occasions. And platform heels are like the drama queen. They definitely turn heads. Then there are chunky heels, which are having a major moment, perfect for adding some edge to your outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a wedding or work or a casual night out, there's a heel type that suits your type and that makes your outfit very beautiful. And pairing heels with the right outfit can totally elevate your look. For work, go for sleek pumps or low block heels with trousers or a pencil skirt. Looks professional and chic. For a night out, go for a sleek pumps or low block heels with trousers or pencil skirts. And for a night out, strappy heel or stylish sandals with a dress or jumpsuits are fine. And you can try chunky heels for a cool casual vibe. And don't forget about accessorizing your look. like adding statement earrings or a bold bag to match your heels. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. And today's video is about to end. Bye bye.